Hello my dear students, welcome back to our channel. Today topic is theory of equations. Subtopic is different conditions of cubic equations. Okay, let's start now. Solving three different type of cubic equations. Now first one, solve x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. Given that two of the roots are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Any two roots ratio is 3 is to 2. Okay. Now solution, a cubic equation having three roots. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 equal to 0. This equation comparing with x cube plus p1x square plus p2x plus p3 equal to 0. Here p1 is equal to minus 9, p2 is equal to 14, p3 is equal to 24. By the problem, any two roots ratio is 3 is to 2. Alpha is to beta or beta is to gamma or gamma is to alpha, as your wish. Here alpha is to beta is equal to 3 is to 2. That implies alpha by beta is equal to 3 by 2, implies beta taking RHS side, alpha is cross multiplication, 3 beta by 2. Okay. Now S1 is equal to sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus P1. Alpha value is 3 beta by 2 plus beta plus gamma is P1 is equal to minus 9 minus P1 is equal to 9. This implies here LCM is 2, 3 beta plus 2 into beta 2 beta plus 2 into gamma 2 gamma is equal to 9. 3 beta plus 2 beta 5 beta plus 2 gamma is equal to 2 taking this side 9 into 2 18. That implies 2 gamma is equal to 18 minus 5 beta. 2 taking this side, okay, gamma is equal to 18 by 2 minus 5b by 2. Therefore gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 beta by 2. S2 is equal to sum of product of at a time two roots alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to P2. Alpha value is 3 beta by 2 into beta, beta into gamma value is 9 minus 5 by 2 beta plus gamma value 9 minus 5 by 2 beta into alpha value is 3 beta by 2 is equal to P2. P2 value is 14. That implies beta into beta 3 beta square by 2, beta into 9 9 beta plus into minus minus 5 by 2 into beta beta square plus 9 into 3 27 beta by 2, okay, plus into minus minus 15 beta square by 2 into 2 4, that is equal to 14. Here LCM is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 beta square 6 beta square. 4 into 9 36 beta. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 5 10 minus 10 beta square. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 into 27 54 beta minus 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 into minus 15 beta square minus 15 beta square is equal to 14. That implies minus 10 beta square minus 15 beta square is minus 25 beta square plus 66 beta square minus 19 beta square. 54 beta plus 36 beta is 90 beta is equal to 14 into 4 56. That implies these two terms taking this side 19 beta square minus 90 beta plus 56 is equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable beta. We can find beta values. Okay, 19 beta square. 90 beta can be written as 76 beta minus 14 beta plus 56 is equal to 0, which implies 19 beta common here in these two terms, beta minus 4. In these two terms, minus 14 common, beta minus 4 equal to 0, which implies here beta minus 4, here also beta minus 4. Beta minus 4 is common into 19 beta minus 14 equal to 0. That implies beta minus 4 is equal to 0, 19 beta minus 14 equal to 0. This implies beta is equal to 4, 19 beta is equal to 14, beta is equal to 14 by 19 does not exist. Okay, therefore beta is equal to 4. Okay, next you can find alpha and beta value. Alpha is equal to 3 beta by 2, 3 into 4 by 2, 3 2s are 6, alpha value is 6. Gamma is equal to 9 minus 5 by 2 into beta, beta value is 4. 9 minus 10, that is minus 1, gamma value is minus 1. Therefore, given equation roots are 6 comma 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma minus 1. That's enough. Now another type of cubic equation. Solve 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Given that two of its roots are in equal, any two roots are equal, alpha is equal to beta or beta is equal to gamma or gamma is equal to alpha. Solution. Let alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of 9x cube minus 15x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. This is not monic equation, only cubic equation. This can be written as dividing by 9 on both sides, x cube, 9 by 9 is 1 x cube minus 15 by 9x square plus 7 by 9x minus 1 by 9 equal to 0. X cube minus 5 by 3x square plus 7 by 9x minus 1 by 9 equal to 0, which is a cubic equation. Comparing with x cube plus p1x square plus p2x plus p3 equal to 0. Leading coefficient is 1, which is monic equation. Here p1 is equal to minus 5 by 3, p2 is equal to 7 by 9, p3 is equal to minus 1 by 9. Okay, by the problem, any two roots are equal, alpha is equal to beta or beta is equal to gamma or gamma is equal to alpha. Here you have to take alpha is equal to beta. Okay, S1 is equal to sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus P1, which implies alpha value is beta. You can substitute in this place, beta plus gamma is equal, P1 is equal to minus 5 by 3 minus P1 is equal to 5 by 3. That implies 2 beta plus gamma is equal to 5 by 3. That implies gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 beta. Alpha value in beta, gamma value also in beta. Okay, S2 is equal to sum of product of at a time two roots, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to P2. That implies alpha value is beta, beta into beta plus beta into gamma value is 5 by 3 minus 2 beta plus 5 by 3 minus 2 beta into beta, alpha value is beta, is equal to P2 7 by 9. That implies beta into beta, beta square, beta into 5 by 3, 5 beta by 3 minus 2 beta into beta minus 2 beta square plus 5 by 3 into beta 5 by 3 5 beta by 3 minus 2 beta square is equal to 7 by 9. Now that implies here LCM is 3. 3 into beta square 3 beta square, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 into 5 beta 5 beta, 3 into minus 2 beta square minus 6 beta square, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 into 5 beta 5 beta minus 3 to the 6 beta square is equal to 7 by 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. By cross multiplication, okay, 3 into 3 beta square plus 5 beta minus 6 beta square plus 5 beta minus 6 beta square is equal to 7 into 1 7. 3 into 3 beta square minus 6 beta square is minus 3 beta square, 5 minus 6 beta minus 6 beta square minus 6 beta square minus 12 beta square minus 12 beta square plus 3 beta square is minus 9 beta square plus 5 beta plus 5 beta 10 beta is equal to 7. 3 into minus 9 minus 27 beta square plus 30 beta 10 into 3 30 is equal to 7. These two terms taking RHS side, 27 beta square minus 30 beta plus 7 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable beta. Solving this equation, 27 beta square minus 9 beta minus 21 beta plus 7 equal to 0, which implies 9 beta common, 3 beta minus 1, 3 beta in 9 beta into 3 beta 27 beta square, 9 beta into minus 1 minus 9 beta, here minus 7 common, 3 beta minus 1 equal to 0, minus into plus minus 7 3 is 21 beta, minus into minus plus 7 into 1 7, okay, 3 beta minus 1 into common, 3 beta minus 1, here also 3 beta minus that one common, remaining terms 9 beta minus 7 equal to 0, which implies 3 beta minus 1 equal to 0, 9 beta minus 7 equal to 0, 3 beta is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1 by 3, 9 beta is equal to 7, beta is equal to 7 by 9, does not exist, beta is equal to 7 by 9 does not exist, okay. Therefore, beta is equal to 1 by 3, alpha is equal to beta, condition is there, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, alpha is also 1 by 3. Beta is 1 by 3, alpha also 1 by 3. Therefore, gamma is equal to 5 by 3 minus 2 beta by 3. 2 beta. 5 by 3 minus 2 into 1 by 3. 3 LCM 5 minus 2. 3 by 3. That is 1. So, gamma is equal to 1. Therefore, given equation roots are 1 by 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 1. That's enough. Given that one root of 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0 is double the other root. Find the roots of the equation. Okay, this is another type of cubic equation. One root is the double the other root. Okay, which is not monic equation. Solution: let alpha comma beta comma gamma are the roots of 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both sides, this can be written as 2 by 2 is 1 x cube plus 3 by 2 x square minus 8 by 2 is minus 4x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Comparing with x cube plus p1 x square plus p2 x plus p3 equal to 0. Here P1 is equal to 3 by 2, P2 is equal to minus 4, P3 is also 3 by 2. Okay. By the problem, one root is double the other means alpha is equal to 2 beta or beta is equal to 2 gamma or gamma is equal to 2 alpha, as your wish. I have to take alpha is equal to 2 beta. Now S1 is equal to sum of roots alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus P1. That implies alpha is 2 beta. Alpha is equal to beta. Substitute in this place. 2 beta plus gamma is equal. P1 is equal to 3 by 2 minus P1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. 2 beta plus beta is 3 beta plus gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2. That implies gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3 beta taking this side minus 3 beta. Okay. Now S2, sum of product of at a time 2 roots alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to P2. Alpha value is 2 beta into beta plus beta into gamma value is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 beta. Here also same minus 3 by 2 minus 3 beta, alpha value is 2 beta is equal to P2 value minus 4. That implies 2 beta into beta 2 beta square plus into minus beta into 3 beta by 2 plus into minus 3 beta square. Okay, plus into minus 3 by 2 into 2 beta 6 by 2 beta plus into minus 6 beta square is equal to minus 4. Here LCM is 2. Okay, 2 into 2 4 beta square minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into minus 3 beta minus 3 beta minus 2 3s are 6 beta square. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 into 6 minus 6 beta minus 6 beta. 2 3s are 12 minus 12 sorry 2 6 are 12 beta square is equal to minus 4. That implies minus 6 beta square minus 12 beta square is minus 18 beta square plus 4 beta square minus 14 beta square minus 3 beta minus 6 beta is minus 9 beta, that is equal to 2 taking this side 4 into minus 2 minus 8. Okay, these here only 9 beta. Okay, these two terms taking this side plus 14 beta square minus taking this side plus 9 beta minus 8 equal to 0. 14 beta square plus 9 beta minus 8 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation in variable beta. That implies 14 beta square, 9 beta can be written as minus 7 beta plus 16 beta minus 8 equal to 0. This implies in these two terms 7 beta common, 2 beta minus 1. 7 beta into 2 beta 14 beta square, 7 beta into minus 1 minus 7 beta plus here 8 beta common, 8 is common. Okay, 2 beta minus 1. 8 into 2 beta 16 beta plus 8 into minus 1 minus 8 equal to 0, which implies 2 beta minus 1 into 7 beta plus 8 equal to 0, which implies 2 beta minus 1 equal to 0. 2 beta minus 1 equal to 0, 7 beta plus 8 equal to 0. 2 beta is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1 by 2. Here 7 beta is equal to minus 8, beta is equal to minus 8 by 7 does not exist. Okay, therefore beta is equal to 1 by 2. Condition is alpha is equal to 2 beta, 2 into 1 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled, alpha is equal to 1. Okay, next gamma value, gamma is equal to minus 3 by 2 in minus 3 beta, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2. Okay, that is minus 3. Therefore, gamma is equal to minus 3. Okay, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 1 by 2, gamma is equal to minus 3. Therefore, given equation roots are 1 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 3. That's enough. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, don't forget click on like button. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.